I installed the turbo. I use a new gasket. I apply some of this high temperature gasket maker. And I apply this high temperature anti-seize on the thread of the bolts. So in the future I could extract them easy without breaking them. I bought 2 gaskets for this. And this is the part number. They're made of stainless steel. And I'm going to use 2 for each port. I will install them opposite to each other. Like this. And I will apply silicone to this surface between these 2 and to the engine. Because I removed some material and I want to build it up. I'm also going to apply anti-seize to these new bolts I bought. And I already cleaned the thread and cleaned everything on the engine. And I'm ready to install this manifold into the engine. I installed the manifold yesterday and I torqued all the bolts to 20 foot-pound to allow the silicone to fill the gaps between the head and the manifold. Today I retorqued all the bolts to 32 foot-pound in this sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I did that 3 times to ensure all the bolts torqued to specification. And I'm done with this manifold. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support, and I'll see you later.